Today is a celebration of the Data City community. It's where everyone who works with our data comes together to talk about how they're working together with our data.
The key thing is that we're bringing the community together to talk about the value of data that we have already, but also about how can we make it even better. What else should we be looking at? What else can we measure with the data that we have?
So I've been to a few of the Data City summits in the past, and actually they're really great networking opportunities. I'm talking about Tech UK's local digital index. We've partnered with Data City on it for the last few years, and we're building it and growing it, and we're really keen to share it with other users.
I've been speaking about the role of universities in delivering the National Industrial Strategy, and it's all been about how do they use data to better articulate what their role is, what their strengths are, and how to generate local economic growth.
We've been a customer of Data City for about 4 years, and it was a fantastic opportunity today to share some of the applications of the data that we as an organisation have been able to sort of really put into action and drive impact.
We think it's really valuable to talk to our customers, share what they're doing, what we're doing, and it's all about what happens next, really. So creating that space to create those serendipitous moments which might create the next thing that we're working on.
Events like this are really important because it's live feedback, really. So this is the first time I think a lot of people will have seen the Defence Arctic. It'll be really good to start to socialise that with people and to understand their use cases more than just our own.
So I think it's great just to bring people together who are working in similar topics but in very, very different sectors.
To come to an event like today where you just get introduced to different sectors, different economies, and take real inspiration and build new connections, and I think these are so important moving forwards.
Key takeaway, always talk to people, get to know them, find out a little bit more about how they're using the tool, what they're doing to make a difference with that tool. There's always things that you can learn from other people. I never come away from one of these days without learning something new.
One big takeaway is how our data is powering stories across lots of different sectors. It's absolutely critical to combine feedback from your customers, from partners, and actually put them all in a room together.
I think the biggest takeaway is that the Data City really believes in its community. You know, we've always taken a community first approach to everything we build. We build with customers, and I want them to feel like we are a community organisation and that they get to actually have a real influence on what we do.